Now, how can I always win at snooker?
You always win snooker.
Freddie, I challenge you to a game.
You're on. You're on.
Now then, there's a cue for you there. Just put a little bit of chalk on the end of mine. And over to the match commentator.
Hello and welcome to the crucial theatre as Vorderman misses the ball completely. She was playing for there. Never the greatest, but Fred Dinenage, the grand champion of the southern region there, sets up his shot, and it's the ease with which he just puts that one away. Vorderman's at the table again, and
No, you'll
she
never
just
win because
failed
you've got
again.
to hit the ball.
Well, if I always hit the ball, will I win?
If you always hit the ball, of course you'll win eventually.
All right.
But you've got to hit the ball.
Okay, well, all right, I'm not very good, I admit, on this table. But I have another table over
You
here.
mean another table?
Yeah, another table, which I brought from home. And here it is.
Well, what is it?
It's a special elliptical snooker table. Ooh. Yes.
Well, you hit it.
I hit it.
Do it again.
And again. Yes, and again.
All right, third time lucky. Go on, do it again.
Okay. And again.
Well, how does it work?
It works because an ellipse is a special mathematical shape. And here we have one ball at one focus, and over here we have the other ball at the other focus. Now, if I hit this ball from one focus against the edge, it will always be reflected back to the other focus, and therefore it will always hit the ball. And I've worked out mathematically that if I always hit the ball, then I've got a very good chance of always winning at snooker. So I'm sticking to this table.
It takes a special table for Carol to win at snooker.